Hey everybody, it's Lindsay, owner of North End Organic Nursery, bringing you your garden minutes today. And what I want to talk about today is building a raised bed. Now, it's kind of like the whole cobbler's kids don't have shoes. As a garden center owner, I don't have time, a lot of the time, to put the effort into my yard like I want to. And we just moved into a new house this last year, and it's a total blank slate. I jokingly call it a zero-scape, not a zero-scape, because the guy who lived here before didn't like the outdoors, I'm guessing, and there's no trees, no shrubs, nothing. Great for somebody like me, it's a blank slate, but I really want to get my gardens going. It is the end of April now. I want to get things planted, and I got super excited last year when I found this particular product at one of our shows, and it is the Bond InstaBrace, Bloom Bond, they're the same company. It's probably showing up backwards in the screen here, but it's a really cool concept because it is just 4 corner pieces that set up super easy, and you can just slide your wood into them, whatever wood you want, as long as it's a 2x. So you can do 2x4s, and you'd put 3 of them in there to get to a foot. You could do 2x6s and put 2 of them up there to get to a foot, or a 2x12. The wood I have behind me here is 2x6s redwood. I got it from Lowe's the other day. They had a pretty good price on it. It was actually cheaper than cedar. Go figure. I thought cedar was a lesser product than redwood, but I got some beautiful redwood boards. So the first step I'm gonna take actually is to lay down some cardboard on top of all this grass that I have behind me here. It's really one of the easiest, best ways to kill grass and then put your bed right on top of it. And you can do that for any kind of landscaping project you've got going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for a second and let you guys just watch the assembly process of laying down the cardboard and building the beds. All right, be right back. Okay, so my ultimate plan is to do 3 4x8 beds, which for me worked out really well because lumber often comes in 8-foot sticks. So I just got the hardware store to cut one of the 8-foot pieces in half, and that gave me some of my end pieces. So I needed 2 8-foot pieces for each side and 2 4-foot pieces for the end. So I have a 4x8 bed, and I'm doing 3 of them. I'm just gonna do one tonight to kind of see how this whole thing goes. I'm gonna unbox my InstaBrace right here and show you guys what we've got. So they come in a couple different designs. This one's got the dragonflies. There's also a sun. Probably gonna do a sun also. But here they are. Woohoo! Hey, drop stuff everywhere. So this is how they work. You see how they have those slots in there, and it's steel, so it's designed for a lifetime. And I'm going to put these as my corner pieces, and then my wood is just going to slip right in there. So got them out of the box. Let's start putting it together. That's it. That's all it took. Literally about 1.5 minutes. It took me, maybe just because I'm a little bit clumsy, but it literally is just that easy. It's sturdy. I'm looking forward to seeing how it holds up once I put some soil into it. Might need to push the ends in a little bit just to close the gaps, but I'm done. All I need is dirt now, and I just accomplished something that was kind of daunting. The idea of building beds from scratch. I've done it in the past with all kinds of materials, including like cinder blocks and with tracks, gosh, with all kinds of materials. And this is by far the least amount of headache I've ever had in building a bed. And this is a nice size. I like 4 feet wide by 8 feet. It gives you enough room to really have a good establishment here. 4 feet allows you to reach from the outside to the inside to the middle without having to go further than 2 feet. So you can reach in and weed and harvest and all that stuff. Anything more than 4 feet tends to be a little bit more of a challenge, especially when you're low on the ground like this. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in today to our Garden Minutes, and we hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't gotten a chance to, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep on pumping out these videos. Thanks, everybody.